Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to rename a printer on Windows 10 settings. In case you have installed several printers and you want to rename any, click on this one Start button in the taskbar and select Settings. Then click this one Devices. In the left sidebar, select Printers and Scanners. On the right, select the printer you want to rename. Then click on this one Manage button. Then click on Printer Properties link. In Printer Properties dialog box, click on Change Properties button. Under General tab, you can name the printer, change the name of printer according to your choice, and then click on this one OK button. Then go back and you will see your printer name has been changed in Windows 10 PC.